Good afternoon, everybody. We are on chapter 6, lesson 13. We are dividing decimals. So, the first thing that we have to do when we divide decimals is we create a whole number with our dividend. Okay, so we're going to move this decimal over one to the right to make it 93, create a whole number, but whatever we do to this number, we also have to do to this number to even it out. Okay, so we now have 2,139 divided by 93 here. Okay, so let's keep that in mind when we go back here and do a couple problems. Let's start with, we'll just start with number 5. We'll do 5 and 7 probably. Okay, so Cy paid $10.48 for a number of washcloths. If each washcloth is now $1.31, how many washcloths did Cy get? Okay, so we have, this is our, the number that'll go on the outside of our problem. And then we got $10.48. Okay, notice in both of these, if we move to the right twice, it'll give us two whole numbers. So that's nice. Okay, so 131 divided by 1,048. Alright, so this one we're just going to have to guess and check a little bit on how many times 131 can go into 1,048, because 131 cannot go into 1, it cannot go into 0, and it cannot go into 104, so we've got to use the whole number. I'm going to think of 131 as, well, if you think of it as 100, you know, 100 times 10 is 1,000, so let's do like I'm going to do it up here, 131 times 9 and see what we get. 9 to 3, 27, 9 to 10, 11. Oof, too high. Alright, let's try 8 then. 131 times 8. Look at that. 8 times exactly. So this is 8 here. We put it above this 8 to show that that's the last digit of the number that we divided into. 8 times 131 is 1,048. Subtract those numbers, you get 0, so no remainders. So our answer would be 8 washcloths. Okay. Number 7. Patricia has 3 7/5 pounds of hamburgers. She is making hamburgers with 0.25 or 25/100 of a pound of hamburger each. How many hamburgers can she make? Okay. Same thing here. So we'll do 0.25 divided by 3 7/5. Okay. We can move this decimal twice and this decimal twice, so let's do it. 25 into 375. Okay, 25 goes into 37 one time. 1 times 25 is 25. Subtract that. 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 1. Bring down that 5. Okay, 25 goes into 125. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125. 5 times 25 is 125, and we have 0 as a remainder. So we can make 15 hamburgers. Alright, I'm pretty confident in you guys. Just remember that, make your life a little easier by moving those decimals over however many points that you can, and if you can't, you just got to bring that decimal up with it in your answer. Alright? Alright, good luck.